This is Universal Studios. You're in Hollywood now.
Let the contest begin. Check out this clip from 1985 and be the first caller to identify the movie, stars, and the director.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine out of a DeLorean?
Oh, wait, 21 gigawatts! Please, cut! What are you looking at, butthead? We're sending you back to the future!
Hello? Anybody home? Hey, think with flying fish.
Hey, Doc, we better back up. We don't have enough road to get up to 88.
Roads? Where we're going, we don't need roads.
I know they can't all be tough. I'm looking for the title, the stars, and the director. And let's see who's got the answer. Hi, who's this?
Hi, my name's Lisa, and it's pretty easy. My kids have made me watch it about 100 times. It was Back to the Future, and it starred Michael J. Fox and Christopher Lloyd, and was directed by Robert Zemeckis.
Lisa, nicely done. Congratulations. In fact, because you did so well with the trivia, you've just won yourself a round trip for two on the StarWay Escalator.
Gee, thanks.
Hey, no prob. And now, an important message for parents from KUSH. Parents, please remember to have your children stand in the center of the step, holding the handrail. Do not sit on the steps. Thank you.
Universal Radio. This is Universal Studios. You're in Hollywood now.
All Universal hits all the time. KUSH, Hollywood.
This is KUSH. Live from Universal Studios, Hollywood.
KUSH, all Universal hits all the time.
You're listening to KUSH, the radio station of Universal Studios, Hollywood.